Everyone, I'm Hritik Yadav. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to teach you one of the hardest question considered in digital asset. But when you look closely to this question, what you will find here is it is not so difficult as it looks. And here is what actual difficulty seems and how can we tackle. Okay, so let's check out what we'll do here is this j minus k will consider as x, and this m plus l will consider as y. Then if you do this, then in this within a minute you will solve this question and you will get the answer. So let's do how I will do in this much. Okay, so we have considered j minus k as x, so I'll write x minus 16 y equals to 689, and then j minus k means x plus 12 y equals to 1235. And now we have asked what is the value of 7j minus k, which means 7x. Okay, so what is our x? Our x is 1001. What we'll put here, and we'll do multiply by, okay, so let me multiply by 7, because this 1001 is the value of j minus k which we have got from this line. Okay, I hope you understood this, and we have done this in the simplest way possible. So hope you like it. Thank you for the video.